Here we are at Universal Studios Mardi Gras, and check out the little setup here to check out all the Mardi Gras food. So I'm going to go to the menu. And this is what they currently have that you can try out, and these are definitely Mardi Gras flavor foods. So let's go ahead and check out some of what they have. Hi guys, this is Red Rum Queen, and we are at the Universal Mardi Gras, and we're trying the Pina Verde. And look, that was the other mother, and you see Slasher back there. So we feel safe here because there's not a lot of people to take off our mask and drink our little beverage here for the Mardi Gras celebration. We're at the prop store here checking out these pumpkins that they had at the pumpkin hunting scavenger hunt they had. Check out the Jeff Goldblum Jurassic Park pumpkin. Isn't he sexy? Yeah. Let's go over here and check out the other pumpkins they have on this side. And here's the pumpkin room here at Universal Studios Orlando. Do you believe in aliens? There is the other mother sneaking by. Check out this. I don't know what's going on here. Some kind of 80s party, punk rock party. I don't know. We got them painting this lovely scene here. Halloween Horror Nights t-shirt. We got this guy here on the television. And these are all the pumpkins you can purchase at the prop store. This is Red Rum Queen, and we are here trying the shrimp gumbo at the Mardi Gras celebration. And Slasher 13th and the other mother are having po' boys. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this at the Mardi Gras celebration. We're stepping into the tribute store for Mardi Gras. And we know that the tribute store for Mardi Gras is a float factory. So we're really excited to step into the float factory for Mardi Gras at the tribute store. Check out the front end of this shop. Really, really cool. They got the artwork, you know, schematics for the floats, and like They got the binders, and they got some awesome things going on. So let's step into the warehouse. Check out the merch. Lots and lots of merch going on here at the Mardi Gras store. So it is super, super cool. And I even got myself a Mardi Gras necklace with a big masquerade mask to it. So I'm going to go ahead, turn that camera back around, and show you more. Check out the binder some more. And it's really, really cool. Just enjoying the whole thing of it all. And you see some more of the schematics here. And you see all the awesome merch you can buy here. There's this bird jersey. We got some tank tops. We got some signs here. I'm not going by the prices because I have to save my battery, so I can go ahead and show you the parade. So it's kind of just a walkthrough of the store. So you can see Oscar masquerade mask they have here at the Mardi Gras store. We got some more Mardi Gras necklaces. We should pick up some more because, you know, I don't think I have enough of the necklaces. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up more necklaces and I'll come back and show you more of the store. So here's more of the schematics for the floats. So cool. We got some glassware here, as I showed you earlier. The jersey. We got some jester hats and some king hats and an alligator hat here. See more of the maps and schematics here for the Mardi Gras store. And we got the working table and the 3D modeling and the circuit store 3D modeling. You can get an alligator mold here at the station. And we got some little voodoo dolls and some cute shirts. Really cool. We got some blouses up there and some bracelets. Apparently Sebastian. Not Sebastian. Sorry, that is his name, but it's September 13th. We found a t-shirt. Can you show that to us? Ooh, that's a cool t-shirt. He's going to check that out. And I'm going to check out those earrings there in a minute. So I'm going to go check out the mask over here. And they got some t-shirts. Really, really cool. And let's go check out the tiaras. And all the Mardi Gras earrings they got for the event. These are really, really cool. Let me put on the light so you can see them better. Check out those earrings here from Mardi Gras. I need them more to light. It's really, really cool. So we're stepping into the factory some more. And you can see these hanging from the walls. You can see a big alligator mold here and some more alligator photos. Really, really cool. And we have more of the woodwork here for the parade. And another mold being made over there. We got some ponchos and some skirts and some hats. And I think these are little like Mardi Gras shorts and like a tube top type thing. So this is really cool. We're walking over. Here's the other side of that alligator mold. We got some shirts. We got some festivities going on here. We got this whole section here. And we got the bear here. Mardi Gras celebration. And we got some tank tops over here. Really, really cool. So we are walking. Oh, we got some more bees over here. That's it. Okay, you see they got really cool at Mardi Gras. So we're going in, stepping into the Mardi Gras store some more. Here we got the hallway with tons of Mardi Gras from the past pictures. You can see all the floats they used to have and whatnot. Let's go this way. More photos of the Mardi Gras parades that they had in the past. at Universal Studios. So it's a really, really cool hallway with many, many things to see. People like stare at you funny, I don't know why. But here is some more Mardi Gras stuff. And now we're going to the scenic and paint section. And this is really colorful. So it's really, really cool. We got all the fabrics that they use on the floats. Really cool here. Oh, I love these tarot cards they got. More crowns. More of the alligator float. Check out all this amazingness here at the store. There's just so much to see. And they really, really go out here on the tribute store all the time. So cool. We got the costume section, which is really cool over here. We see all the costumes that go into the people riding the floats. They're very vivid and sparkly and bright. So check out. Slasher Kill 13 kind of freaked me out. I thought it was some stranger following me. But check out these amazing things. Ooh, I like this. I can put this in my hair. We got some feathers here. Check out these little headbands. Some more cool shirts here at the Mardi Gras store. Some shiny stuff, some gator glitter, some wave glitter. Check out all this amazing stuff here at the tribute store. Here we are at the exit of the Mardi Gras store. We see the final finale of the show they were creating in the clothes factory. And we got some sweet snacks there that you can check out at Universal Studios. So check out the end of the float, and we got some merch here that we are purchasing. Getting all this cute little duck here. And Slasher Killer 13 changed his shirt to a different one. So let's check that one out. He wanted this one instead. And we get some noodles and some leggings and some hats and shirts. And we got this little crop top here that's really cute. So yeah, we're here at the Mardi Gras store, ready to check out. Let me go to the thing. Wait, I got one more.
Premier pass, or is it?
Yeah, it's good. Let me get the pass, 1 second. We're gonna go ahead and pay for them. So here is the exit of the tribute store with the Mardi Gras bee tree. So this is a cool little visit to the Mardi Gras store, tribute store for Mardi Gras 2022. Check out what's going on here. That's awesome. Very, very cool costumes here at the Mardi Gras. The monster store here, where the mummy ride is. We're going to go in and check out that store. And I'm going to go ahead and finish. Ooh, spooky. Really, really cool. This is the Mummy store, now converted into a classic monster store. Still got some Mummy references here for sure. Oh my lord, this is so cool. Really, really cool. We got the Mummy here. So cool. Mummy references. Got the creature from the Black Lagoon over there. The little pop out in my face. Let's check out the Mummy. Not the Mummy, sorry, the creature from the Black Lagoon. And all the classic monster toys. Really cool. We even got some Bride of Frankenstein shirts and skate. And we got Dracula. We got some shirts over here, some classic monsters. And we got Dracula. Wow. Check these monsters out. We got the vials and the jars. Wow. So cool. They should keep it this way. I know this is only temporary until the Mummy ride, I guess, opens again. But it's really cool. They should totally keep it this way. That's just my vote. It's okay. Wow. Check this out. Really, really cool. We got the wolf over here. This is absolutely amazing. I am impressed. I'm so glad I got to experience this because this is amazing here at the Mummy store, a classic monster, Universal Monsters, temporary Catholic tribute store at the Mummy ride. Check this out, we got more stuff going on here. We got the Phantom. Wow, I can like make my house like this and become perfectly content. This is so cool. There are no words how cool this is. Really impressed with this store. So cool. So let's get some pictures of this awesomeness.